first shop vlog. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to take you guys around the shop, give you a little tour, show you guys my machine so you can see what I can and can't do. Just so you can get a little brief description of each machine. I'm going to try to make this video the fast one. That way after this video I'm going to make one video for each machine. And there I can go in full review. So if one of those machines catches your attention, go ahead and look for that video. That way you can learn something new. Man, if you see the video when I'm first starting the intro, it's like a video of me pulling onto my house. The whole concept behind that is that I'm starting this business from the ground up. So I cleared out my garage, I made an empty space, and I invested all my time to try to build something that I could take, to the next business level. Originally this space was just for me. I wanted to build this just to have fun, because the past 10 years, I started working when I was 16, I'm 26 now, so the past 10 years has just been nothing but grind, hard work, hardly any days off, I'm not the type of guy that I don't smoke, drink, party, I don't have a lot of friends I hang out with. So, all those years paid off, I'm 26, I built my dream house, I got my cars, I finally have time to myself so I can relax. And the only thing I'm missing is, something that makes me happy, so that thing is graphic design. All I want to do is be on the computer, make shit with my hands, and make some money doing it. So I invested the money that I had to buy these machines. This is just a start. I want to upgrade everything, with the help of YouTube and having customers and the website. Hopefully we can grow it and take it to the next level. Because worst case scenario, I'm just gonna fall on my ass, or it's gonna work and it's gonna go to the next level. So I want to take you guys on the journey here on YouTube, and customers too. Like if you place an order, you can see me make it. If you order shirts, banner, something on the laser, you can actually see your product being made. So hopefully it's entertaining. If you're a DIYer and you make stuff too, go ahead and subscribe to. You can learn something here. If not, you can teach me something. So I have a lot of plans for the channel, a lot of videos, a lot of content. So all I can say is subscribe, man. Other than that, let's get this tour started. Alright, so I'm walking out into the shop so we can start this tour. First in the corner, I have a little desk right here. That's where I do a lot of my work, especially when something comes out of the printer, or when I'm making stickers. I have this little cutter right here, so I put a cut on my stickers immediately. Whenever I'm doing wraps for consoles or controllers, phones, this is where I do them at. Just because I have a really good light right there, so it's bright, you can see all the air bubbles and get them out with the heat gun. So I do spend a lot of time here with little hands-on projects. Next, I have my wide format printer. This is a 54-inch. With this printer, I can basically make banners, magnets, t-shirts, yard signs, floor signs, window signs. Man, it's crazy. This is the money maker right here. This was probably my biggest investment, but after I got this machine, that's when I was able to make a lot more money. Let me see. Next, I have my design desk right here. So basically, this is just a gaming computer. I needed something with a lot of RAM, something that's powerful, to be able to control all my programs. Some of the programs I use, I keep them on the bottom. I basically use Corel Draw a lot. I have my embroidery software, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Lightburn. All those are what control all these machines. So that's the brain of the shop right here. Without that computer, nothing gets done here. So that's where I spend most of my time right there, designing and just make sure everything is done. Next right here I have the CNC. This machine here can cut wood, acrylic, it can engrave. I think it can cut aluminum too, copper. So this is just a CNC mill. So you climb down your project right here. This is a piece of wood. So if I wanted to, if I had like a black and white image of a name or a logo or a sports team, this little bit right here will turn on and spin and cut out the wood, and you would have like a wall decoration or all types of things you can make with this machine. I think I've made a stereo for my car to hold an iPad, and I've made floating rim caps. So as long as your imagination works, man, you can make anything on this machine. Next, I have the laser machine. This one engraves, cuts pretty much any material other than metal. So in that machine, I could put like plexiglass and do like LED signs, acrylic signs. There's a lot of shit I can do with this machine. I'll make a video like breaking it down. Next to this machine is where I keep all the acrylic. So I grab the acrylic from there and put it in the machine, and I automatically start cutting. This machine is, I don't want to say unique, but it's powerful because it has a camera on top and the camera faces down. So if I were to put like a gun in there, I can see the gun over here on my screen, and I can line it up perfectly if I want it engraved. Or if I want to trace it, I can make you a foam case, and I'll save that for another video. This right here is just a regular cabinet. This cabinet is where I keep all my spare parts from the machines, maintenance. I have my inks in there. And then I keep all the stuff related to like keychains and just LED bases. This right here is my 4x8 work table. It's a good size to get all my work done right here. And I made a hole right there. And I could basically throw all my trash up in there. So it's always nice and clean in here. Right now I have a mess, but I just got done working. Right here is all my paper for the printer. So all those papers have a different purpose. One paper is for printing, one's for shirts, one's for windows. So depending on what your project is, you gotta grab the right paper, and then you put it in the printer. And over here, I just got some normal racks. These are all my power tools with stuff I need. This right here is my shipping desk. So whenever I have an order to go out, I get all my due dates and I do all my packaging. I'm running low on a lot of stuff I need to stock up. So these are my shipping boxes that we use for the post office. That's my shirt folder. So whenever I have shirts done, I fold them up. And then right here we have the plastics where we package it. This is just for foam protection, I guess. And that's pretty much it for the shop. This room right here is like, I guess you call it the apparel room. It used to be a t-shirt room, but you can make all types of clothing now. This is where I keep all the shirts in different sizes. So on the bottom I have small, medium, large, and on the top I keep all the X, 2X and up. On this side, I have my heat press. So whenever I make shirts, all the shirts have to get heat pressed on there. This is not the heat press I wanted, but it gets the job done. That's probably my next investment. On top I have a little whiteboard. That's where I write down all my orders. So all my t-shirt orders are in order. And over here, this is just a Cameo, and then I have my regular printer on the bottom. I don't really use them too much, but it does come in handy. These are all the vinyl rolls that go in here. I have future plans for this room. I want to put an embroidery machine in here. But before I got the machine, I ordered all the yarn or the thread. All my supplies are down there. And then inside the cabinets, that's where I keep all my fabrics, and I'm gonna stock this cabinet up with some hats. And I don't know, it feels plain in here. Like, this room is nowhere where I want it to be, but you kind of get the idea. There's nothing but clothing in here. Hopefully next week or the following I'll have it complete. I'm gonna order a lot of stuff just to change it up in here. And that's pretty much it. We got this little room, and the whole shop area is over here. So you have the clothing, and then you have production side over here. That's pretty much for this video. I'm trying to make it as fast as I can. My next videos, I'll actually start making stuff on the printers and, you know, kind of give you a real example of what they do. But I'm gonna make so much stuff in here, so many videos. And don't forget to subscribe, man. I'm about to end this video and get started on the next ones.